In June 2017, the secret hacktivist collective Anonymous made a shocking announcement. The group, whose members always appear in Guy Fawkes masks, claim that NASA has discovered intelligent alien life. In an online video, Anonymous quote the head of NASA Science Mission Directorate, Professor Thomas Zurbuchen. There are many who claim that unofficially mankind has already made contact with aliens, not just little microorganisms floating around inside a massive alien ocean, but advanced spacefaring civilizations. Taking into account all of the different activities and missions that are specifically searching for evidence of alien life, we are on the verge of making one of the most profound, unprecedented discoveries in history. Anonymous claim that Professor Zurbuchen's statement is proof that NASA is aware of extraterrestrial beings. In their video, they state that the space agency has evidence of something going on in the skies above. These claims are backed up by a number of astronauts, scientists, and top government officials, like Edgar Mitchell, the sixth person to walk on the moon. Mitchell says that NASA have known about extraterrestrial life for decades, and that these alien beings have saved humanity from wiping itself out in nuclear destruction during the Cold War. He also alleges that the Vatican has secret knowledge about this race and are working with aliens to develop new energy sources to power the planet. More than 30 years ago, another NASA astronaut expressed his belief that flying saucers were spying on top-secret US aircraft tests. Gordon Cooper was part of America's first manned space mission, Project Mercury, and the first person to sleep in space. Speaking to the UN in 1984, Cooper said, "I believe that these extraterrestrial vehicles and their crews are visiting this planet from other planets, which are a little more technically advanced than we are on Earth." Former Princeton University physics professor Brian O'Leary began his career at NASA too. He is also convinced that aliens have been communicating with Earth for centuries. He says, "There is abundant evidence that we are being contacted. Civilizations have been monitoring us for a very long time, and their appearance is bizarre from any type of traditional materialistic Western point of view." But perhaps more importantly, Anonymous has a strong track record of unearthing classified and verifiable information through hacking. In November 2015, Anonymous leaked the identities of over 1,000 members of the Ku Klux Klan, along with links to their social media profiles. The group said it was prompted to unveil KKK members in order to fight against racial injustices in American society. In their official statement, Anonymous said, "The reason we have taken the hoods off of these individuals is not because of their identities, but because of what their hoods symbolize to us in our broader society." Violent bigotry is a problem in the United States. This is not a colorblind society. It is deeply divided on racial lines. In 2012, Anonymous member Derek Lostetter brought a horrifying Ohio high school rape case to public attention by hacking the school football team website. His work led to 2 men being jailed for the brutal sexual assault on a teenage girl. The group has even hacked into the FBI's internal systems. In 2012, Anonymous intercepted a phone call between the FBI and Britain's Scotland Yard. They also breached FBI email accounts to uncover anti-hacking operations being carried out by the American government. However, their claim that NASA knows about aliens has little to go on other than a misplaced quote. Indeed, NASA denied the claim as soon as it was made. Lori Cantillo, NASA lead communications specialist, told Fox News, "While we're excited about the latest findings from NASA's Kepler Space Observatory, there's no pending announcement regarding extraterrestrial life." Journalist Keith Griffith points out that Professor Zurbuchen's comments were taken completely out of context. Zurbuchen was in fact discussing exciting new developments in the search for conditions suitable for alien life, rather than proof of its existence. The Kepler telescope has discovered 2,335 planets outside our solar system. Yet, only 30 of these are Earth-like, with the potential to host life. The major discovery is that one of these, TRAPPIST-1, is effectively a sister solar system to our own. It has 7 planets orbiting its star with the potential to harbor life. Professor Zurbuchen explained just how critical this discovery could be in April 2017. He noted, "The TRAPPIST-1 system is just 39 light-years away, and its discovery tells us that there is plenty of planet-making material in our little corner of the solar system, indicating that finding Earth-like planets may actually be closer to us than we originally thought. Currently, though, there is no evidence that there have been any breakthroughs." Zurbuchen even addressed this in his speech. He said, "While we haven't found definitive signs of life elsewhere just yet, our search is making remarkable progress. For astrobiology, the key thing to remember is that answering the fundamental question of, is there life out there, will require scientific breakthroughs from many different science fields, including ones that are not currently engaged in this exciting endeavor." In fact, a large section of the video is lifted from the dubious conspiracy theory website Ancient Code. This website never names the authors of its articles and is frequently included in lists of fake news websites. The nail in the coffin, however, is a statement from Anonymous itself. Days after the video was published, the hacktivists announced that it had not even come from them. It was actually made by someone pretending to be the world-famous hackers. Anonymous have an impressive track record of uncovering secrets and revealing them to the masses. In many cases, their findings have helped to deliver justice. NASA may be on the brink of discovering extraterrestrial life, but with the June 2017 video revealed to be a fake, there is nothing to suggest this has already happened.